Hey everyone, today we're going to talk about how to get an overdraft with Standard Chartered Bank in the UK. So this isn't something you can just click from the homepage. You only see the overdraft option once you're logged into your current account online, which is really super important to know. So once you're in your account, the bank will then give you details about how much you could potentially borrow and the benefits of having an overdraft. So for example, it can cover unexpected expenses, manage short-term cash flow, and make sure you don't miss any payments, all while giving you some extra flexibility in your account. So to be eligible, you need to be at least 18 years old, have a current account with Standard Chartered, and meet their income and credit requirements. So the bank will then look at your financial situation and credit history to decide how much of an overdraft you can have. So interest rates and fees will apply depending on how much you use. So it's always good to check these before you commit. And the best part is once you're set up, you can manage it directly through online banking, making it easy to keep track of what you've used and pay it back when convenient. So basically, if you are already a Standard Chartered UK customer, getting an overdraft is straightforward. It gives you some financial breathing room and everything is handled online. So if this helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and of course subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.